Looking for the best car stereo that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best car stereo that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Pioneer Car Stereo. The Pioneer MVH S522BS is a feature-rich digital media receiver that delivers an excellent balance of convenience, connectivity, and entertainment for everyday drivers. Its built-in Bluetooth enables reliable hands-free calling and wireless audio streaming, allowing you to stay focused on the road while remaining connected. The inclusion of USB and auxiliary inputs adds impressive versatility, making it easy to play music from smartphones, USB drives, or MP3 players while also providing convenient device charging during trips. One of its standout features is Pioneer Smart Sync, which transforms your compatible iOS or Android smartphone into an advanced control center with an enhanced interface and expanded functionality, creating a smarter and more personalized in-car experience. Additionally, SiriusXM Readiness unlocks access to over 140 channels of commercial-free music, sports, news, and entertainment with a subscription, making this receiver an outstanding upgrade for drivers seeking modern connectivity, premium audio performance, and everyday driving convenience. Next up is S-Joybring Car Stereo. This 7-inch double-den car stereo is an outstanding upgrade for drivers who want premium technology, exceptional entertainment, and enhanced safety in one package. With seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, it keeps your music, navigation, calls, and messages easily accessible through voice commands with Siri or Google Assistant, allowing for a truly hands-free driving experience. The ultra-clear 1280 by 720 QLED display delivers vibrant colors, sharp details, and smooth 1080p video playback, ensuring excellent visibility in both daylight and nighttime conditions. Its powerful 4.2-channel surround sound system, complete with dual subwoofer outputs and customizable EQ settings, produces rich, balanced audio with deep bass and crystal-clear highs that satisfy even demanding music enthusiasts. Safety is equally impressive thanks to support for both front and rear cameras, including an HD night vision rear camera that activates automatically when reversing, making parking easier, faster, and more secure in virtually any driving environment. Coming in at number 3 is Leadfan Car Stereo. This 7-inch double-den car stereo offers an impressive combination of entertainment, connectivity, and driving convenience, making it an excellent upgrade for almost any vehicle. Its mirror link capability allows compatible Android and iPhone users to display navigation, videos, music, and other smartphone content directly on the large touchscreen, creating a more intuitive driving experience. Although GPS relies on your connected phone, the seamless integration makes navigation simple and reliable. Bluetooth 5.0 provides stable wireless connectivity for hands-free calling and music streaming, while the built-in microphone helps improve call clarity and keeps your attention on the road. The FM radio delivers dependable access to music, news, and traffic updates, and multiple input options, including USB, SD card, and AUX, ensure broad media compatibility while also supporting device charging. The included backup camera with automatic reverse activation significantly improves parking safety and visibility, making this multimedia receiver a practical, feature-packed choice for everyday driving. Now number 4, Boss Car Stereo. The Boss Audio System's Car Stereo is a practical and well-equipped receiver that combines modern wireless connectivity with reliable everyday performance. Its push-to-talk feature gives you instant access to Siri or Google Assistant through Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls, get directions, send messages, or control music while keeping your hands on the wheel. Built-in Bluetooth also delivers stable hands-free calling and wireless streaming from popular apps like Spotify and Pandora, providing a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. The USB port supports music playback while conveniently charging your smartphone, and the auxiliary input ensures compatibility with MP3 players and other audio devices. Front and rear preamp outputs make it easy to connect external speakers for improved sound quality and future system upgrades. Delivering up to 50 watts per channel, this compact receiver produces clear, powerful audio, while the included 3-year Platinum Online Dealer warranty adds long-term confidence, making it an excellent value for drivers seeking dependable in-car entertainment. And finally, our last pick is Leslaya Car Stereo. This 7-inch IPS HD car stereo delivers a premium blend of intelligent connectivity, powerful audio performance, and user-friendly functionality, making it an outstanding upgrade for modern vehicles. Its vibrant 1280 by 480 touchscreen provides sharp visuals, responsive controls, and an enjoyable interface for navigation, media, and smartphone mirroring. The built-in DSP processor, 10-band equalizer, 4.2-channel RCA output, and dual independent 240W peak subwoofer ports allow extensive sound customization, producing deep bass, balanced mids, and crystal-clear vocals for an immersive listening experience. Bluetooth 5.3 with an external antenna ensures faster pairing, stronger signal stability, and reliable hands-free calling with excellent voice clarity, while steering wheel control compatibility keeps essential functions safely within reach. The ability to quickly switch between Bluetooth, FM radio, USB, and microphone audio modes through CarPlay or Android Auto adds exceptional convenience. Combined with efficient heat dissipation for long-term reliability and comprehensive installation support, this multimedia receiver offers impressive performance, versatility, and value for everyday driving. So those were the top 5 best car stereo you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.